Hello everyone! Planning a trip to Morocco? Applying for an e-visa is simpler than you might think. In this video, we will guide you through obtaining your Morocco eVisa, step by step. First, fill out the online application form. This is a crucial step in obtaining your e-visa, so ensure accuracy. Have your passport ready. You'll need it to enter all the required information correctly. This ensures they know exactly who is visiting, facilitating a smooth entry into the country. This is where you select the processing time for your visa. There are 3 options: Standard, Rush, and Super Rush. For those who plan ahead, Standard is suitable. If you need your visa urgently, Super Rush is the best option. Choose the option that best fits your travel needs. Proceed to pay the visa fee. The process is straightforward. You can use your credit card or Western Union. Upon completion, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain all necessary information. Congratulations! You have successfully applied. Now prepare for your trip and enjoy your adventure in Morocco.